Herds, how are you? Are you with a lock on your gates or whatever? I wonder if you are. You're up here somewhere. At this sign over here. Wonder if you're still with a lock. Right here. Herds. No lock on it. I guess the farmer's very forgetful at all times by putting a lock on. Probably. No, I'm pretty sure that I saw herds and it was not with a lock at all with it. I guess the farmer's very forgetful all the time. Yeah, there it is right there.
Yep.
No, there's no lock on it.
Slow down because there's car behind me.
I know.
Follow the road for 3 miles.
Like, I think there's a new Wigwag of Umbra, I think. Yeah, that's a really new Wigwag right there on that light on the other side. There's taller than Umbra. It's this Wigwag here. Yeah, that is a new Wigwag right there. Yeah. Do you know? I think Holy is about to be upgraded soon, I think. But you know, I don't think they would upgrade Umbra though, because it's literally in the middle of nowhere. It's on the mountains, like, well, just right on the mountains.